If you're struggling with Adobe's cancellation process, you are not alone. Or felt trapped by their subscription fees, stick around because we're breaking it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic, Adobe's controversial subscription practices and the recent lawsuit filed against them by the US federal government. The FTC and Lena Khan. Love her. Adobe offers a wide range of software through its Creative Cloud, right? Premiere Pro, Photoshop, you have Illustrator. I mean, it's been the preeminent place to be up until now. And while the software is powerful, the subscription model has been a point of contention for many users. And I got to tell you why. Okay, so I woke up this morning. I had two Adobe plans at one point in time. One was for my staff, one was for my family, right? College kid and all that good stuff. And also it's always depending on what I was learning, right? Definitely getting heavy into editing and Premiere Pro and always knowing what you're doing as you are really creating any kind of endeavor that you're going into. Know your stuff. So I have been using other platforms, and also I took editing off my plate, which is what I advise you to do as well, that I was canceling my subscriptions. Well, every month I've been going and trying to cancel the subscription, and you know what? There it is again. Every month, there it is. And they just make it really difficult to find out where the account is, what email you use, and consistently canceling it. And yeah, is it a source of contention? You're damn skippy it is. So personally, I've shared my issues with Adobe's subscription model. And I went into that. So I realized when I was doing my YouTube experience, which I do obviously on a daily basis, there was other people. And there's the FCC fighting for us, taking on the big guys who are just at this point, let's be real, overzealous and greedy. And again, here we are. So recently, the US federal government filed a lawsuit against Adobe, accusing them of trapping customers into a year-long subscription with hidden early termination fees and numerous cancellation hurdles. You think? So one major issue is the early termination fee. And I didn't experience this. If you cancel your subscription early, you're hit with a hefty fee. For example, if you cancel halfway through a 1,080 annual plan, you're owed $450 plus $270 cancellation fee. Could you imagine? Did the FCC also do this whole thing about banking and cancellation fees? Yeah. Okay. So the other thing too is that if you sign up for it, and they might have changed it really recently, you know, as the lawsuit is now on the books, that you would have a monthly subscription. I don't know. Does that mean that you could cancel at any time, month by month, and not have it disguised as a yearly termination? It's messed up. So, and this is really where it starts to get insulting and upsetting, is that, you know, student plans, which I had a student plan for my college kid, right, is that Adobe student plans are another point of frustration. So while they're cheaper, they require an annual commitment. It's especially tough for students who might only need the software for a few months. I don't know, they're taking it for a class and then they're good for it. Leave the kids alone, Adobe. So many users have shared the frustration line. For instance, they're all over. They're all over Twitter. They're all over Facebook. There has been, you know, outspoken frustration. And over the years, Adobe's practices have eroded the trust and enthusiasm for its user base. While the software remains popular, the company's reputation has taken a hit. Now, I got to tell you, so we're also experiencing this Boeing, right? Boeing was preeminent, like, here we are, the best of the best of the best. And greed took over. Corporate greed that was so rampant. Planes are falling out of the sky, doors are blowing off planes, and yeah, it's a problem. So that if you have not followed, there's Boeing's president was just in court in front of the Senate. There's one thing, I am so a capitalist and an entrepreneur spirit at heart, right? That you get to make your strike, that you get to believe in why it is so great to be an American. It is so great to have the opportunity to be here. But you can't eat your own. At some point in time, there's nothing left to squeeze. Leave the college students alone. So here's what do you, okay, I just went on a rant, and I know my staff is not going to like this, right? Well, what do you think about this? What do you think about the greed and the rampant greed that Adobe's having? It's great software. It's coming out the AI division and all of that. The misleading that a monthly subscription is really not a monthly subscription is a problem. So anyway, have you faced these issues? I'd love to know. Leave your comments below. Also, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that button there. Follow us on YouTube. Obviously, subscribe to the channel. And secret, I'm coming out with a new Twitch streaming coming soon. I will be launching in July, so look for that. The link is below. Can't wait. And anyway, thank you for watching, and see you next video.